The goal of this exercise is to fill an array with 100 scores. Each score will be from 1 to 20. We want outputs showing us all the values inside the array, and at the end, we want an output of the average score. In this case, the average score is 11.44. I'm waiting for you for a solution. Here we go. I'm declaring an array of 100 with 100 indexes, and as you know now, the first one will be 0 and the last one will be 99. I'm declaring an int called score. By the way, as you can see here, I used another syntax. It works also for some reason in Java, but if you feel more comfortable doing the way we did in the previous lectures, just keep doing this way. That's not a big deal. Both are working with no problem whatsoever. So I'm declaring an int score with 0 inside it, a float called score addition, another float called average score with 0 inside it also, and I'm starting my for statement. I with 0, so I is 0, and I want my loop to keep going as long as I is smaller than 100, because as you know now, the last index of our array will be 99. We do not want to hit the 100 index that doesn't exist. I++. Line 8, so let's see what I'm going to do in this code block. Each turn, so I'm doing a random score from 1 to 20, as usual, and I'm storing it inside my score variable. Then I'm using that variable, that score variable, to write a value inside my array. As usual, this syntax means at the index 0, in this case, for the first turn, I will write what's inside score. So imagine this, in this case, it was 16. So I'm writing the value 16 at the index 0, so the first index. And I'm doing a not print showing it. Before I hit the closing curly brace, I will make sure I'm storing this value inside my score addition. So I'm doing score addition, which is 0 at this point, plus score, so it's 16. So 0 plus 16 is 16. I'm starting to store it. Each turn, as you can imagine, I'm going to have some new scores, some random score, and each turn I'm going to add this to score addition. Imagine, so the second turn, surprisingly, was 16 also. So in score addition, at the second turn, I'm having 16. So at line 11, it will be, this expression means 16 plus 16, because the second score was 16 also. And in this case, I will have 32 stored. The new value of score addition will be 32. You guessed it, each turn I'm going to add all the values and add them to score addition. This way, my score addition will be the total at the end of all the values that are inside my array. When I'm going outside, when the loop is ended, when the loop breaks, I will do score addition divided by 100 because we are having 100 scores, and I will have the average score, and I will do an output with it with a concatenation, concatenating my string with my average score variable. I hope this is clear, and make sure you feel comfortable, you start feeling comfortable with those kind of syntaxes. Try to do this exercise alone without watching at the solution, and I will catch you in the next lecture.